guys, it's Crystal, and today I'm going to be going over my September glam bag. Isn't this so cute? You can see the texture of this bag. It's like a canvas material, and it also has this little charm on it. It's a crystal charm. I love crystals, so that is so cool. I want to take this right off and like put it on a necklace. Wouldn't that be cute? I'm going to walk you through how to use all your glam bag items, or actually all my glam bag items for this month. So this is what I got. I got this Purlisse Energizing Peel and Polish. All you need to do is smooth over your clean skin and let sit for 2 minutes. Then you're gonna rinse with warm water in circular motions, and you're gonna rinse that right off. So the next item is this Lock Color Unicorn Glow Hydrating Primer. I'm gonna show you a quick video of how I use that. All you do is you put a dime size on your face and smooth it over, and then you're ready for your foundation. So let me fast forward through my foundation, concealer, and all of that, and then get you guys to this. So my third item in my glam bag is this IBY Beauty eyeshadow in Fire and Ice. And this is a brick brown shade. I use that on my eyes. I'll be showing you how to use it. The fourth item in my glam bag is this Ofra Cosmetics Madison highlighter in Sea Shimmer. And this is a rose gold hued baked highlighter. I am in love with Ofra's highlighters, so this is one of my favorites. And last but not least, here's this Hanhoo Watermelon Illuminator, and this is an overnight serum. I'm not going to be showing you how to use this in this video. However, follow me on Prison Pop, create an account, and you can see me using this in a short 1-minute video. Thank you guys for watching. Show me your guys' looks, tag me, and leave a comment below if you like this video. See you guys next time. Bye.